They do. Wait till they go by so you don't hurt nobody. But you're saying.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Do you want to?
Go, boy.
She said go.
Oh, you wait on him?
Yeah.
Move. Gee, are you surprised?
They want to see somebody look retarded. That's what they about to see.
Man, you better be careful in that seat. Go ahead.